Hello guys, so today I'm going to teach you this mini puff stitch. This is the name that I give this stitch. I don't know if anyone has ever made it before. I think I made it up, but it's like a single stitch but with a little bit more body. Okay, so let's see it. So here in this mandala we're going to do one mini puff stitch here and one mini puff stitch here. So I enter like a normal single stitch, and then I go once around my hook and enter the space again, and then I have four loops on my hook. I go out with all four. This is our mini puff stitch. It's very easy. One more time. We go into the space like a single stitch, bring up the line, go around the hook and go in again, bring up the line. Then we have four loops on our stitch. We go through all four. Ooh, sometimes you have to wiggle a little. And there you go. You have your mini puff stitch.